Looks like we're doing custom graphics. It's different than actual window film or window tint. With window tint, it's pretty much straightforward, but with this, you want to make sure that all the graphics match up. Sometimes if you go over it and you hit a dry spot, it'll almost leave looks like an eraser mark. Try to avoid that. Right here, this is gonna be like, this whole circle is gonna be like one big frosted circle, and then the actual letter graphic right here is gonna be like laser cut out. So you're gonna have like a frosted circle, and then you're gonna be able to see through this letter right here.